So for now, the session Q&A is going to be held. We're going to take, this is the first session of the Q&A, so we're going to do 4 first questions. We're going to collect the question first, and after that, the presentation, we're going to immediately answer the question. Please, the first questions.
Yeah.
Iya, udah Via.
Okay. Okay, Via, go first. You may ask.
Then Afa.
Me first. What are differences
Okay.
design? What are differences design and procedure of action?
Okay, what's
Thank
the difference
you.
design and okay. Thank you, Via. Okay, next Afa.
Okay. Wait. One function of literature review is to identify gaps. So what does gap in this case mean? Thank you, Icha.
So what does gap? Okay, thank you, Afa. Okay, next 2 questions.
Tiara,
Okay, Tiara, you may ask.
is it necessary to follow the arrangement of the card proposal? What if we miss one part like the introduction?
Okay, thank you, Tiara.
Thank you.
Last
Jania,
question.
Jania.
Aisyah.
Okay. My question. Is there any specification that makes a proposal a good proposal? Okay, thank you, Icha.
Okay. Thank you, Putri. Please, for the presentative, answer the questions. You may answer questions.
I will try to answer Alpha question.
Yes, Namira.
So Alpha asked the meaning of gap, right?
Yes.
So the gap also considered the missing piece or pieces in the research literature is the area that has not yet been explored or is underexplored. This could be a population or a sample, which can be size, type, location, and research method, data collection, and or analysis or other research variables or condition. Is it clear, Alpha?
Yes, thank you, Namira.
You're welcome.
I will try to answer Olivia's questions.
Okay,
Yeah. You asked what are the differences between design and procedure of action, right?
Yes, right.
So action design described here is what, why, when, where, by whom, and how the action were performed. And action procedure described in here is the stage in carrying out the action. Each stage describe what to do and how to do it. Is it clear?
Yes, clear enough. Thank you, Raisya.
Okay, I would like to answer Tiara's question. Tiara? The questions is it necessary to follow the arrangement of car proposal? What if we miss one part like the introduction? And my answer is it has to be at least include all of this. In fact, this presentation set at least minimum things you should provide in your proposal. You can or maybe need to add more few details according how would you conduct your car. Is it clear, Tiara?
It is. Thank you, Alisa.
And also, I would like to answer Putri question. Putri,
Yes.
his answer is as a question is there's any specific and
Yeah.
it is a well-written proposal, consistently details each step of the cycles and briefly explain how specific treatment will solve an identified need. Your proposal should remind a prospective student and teacher of their pains and why they began seeking a solution initially. Is it clear, Putri?
It's enough. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, it's the end for the first session. Thank you for all the questions. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam wabarakatuh.
Siap-siap ya, 4 pertanyaan berikutnya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So we already conduct the first session of Q&A. So right now we're going to have the second session for the Q&A. It's the same as the procedure will be the same as the first session. We're going to collect 4 first questions and then the presented. We're going to answer it immediately. Please, first questions.
Ya, aku Amel.
Okay, Fina. I heard Fina first. Okay. Please, Fina.
Okay.
Okay, my question is, what is the difference between introduction in classroom action research and the background of the study?
Okay. Thank you, Vina.
Is it clear?
Yeah, it's clear. I can hear it. Second,
My question is, what if the proposal is rejected by the principal?
okay, that's the question. What if the proposal is being rejected by the principal? Thank you for the question, Damel.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yes. Yes, Silva.
I wanna ask question.
You may ask. Yes, go on.
Is it clear enough my voice?
Yeah, it's clear. I can hear it.
Okay. What is the differences between formal research proposal and classroom action research proposal? You get it?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Ika.
Okay, thank you, Silva.
Aisyah wanna ask.
Yes, Aisha. What is your question?
Is synthesizing similar to summarizing?
Okay. Okay, thank you. So I'll try to answer Fina's question. Fina, your question is the differences between introduction in classroom action research and the background of the study, right? So the answer is the background of the study is more in depth and explain why your research topic or thesis is worth the time of your readers. That's the answer of your question.
Raisa.
I'm going to answer Aisyah question.
Okay.
So your equation is whether synthesizing and summarizing are similar. Is it right?
Yes, right.
Okay. So synthesizing is not the same as summarizing. A summary restates the information in one or more sources without providing new insight or reaching new conclusions, while synthesis draws on multiple sources to reach a broader conclusion. Is it clear for you, Aisha?
Yes, clear. Thank you, Namira.
You're welcome.
So I will try to answer Sylvania's questions.
Yes, yeah.
So your question were about what is the differences between formal research proposal and the car research proposal, right?
Yes.
So first is there are actually two types of um, answers. First is for the formal research training needed by researcher. The second is the goal of the researcher are also different. The training are different. And third, method of identifying and the problem to be studied are also different. Procedure, literature review, everything basically inside the chapters are different. Sampling, research design, measurement, data analysis, everything is different. The goal of formal research are produce knowledge that is generalized to a broad population of interest to develop and test theories. By contrast, action research is actually aimed at obtaining knowledge that can be applied directly to the local situation. It has the goal of contributing to the training and hence the competence of educationers. Is it clear, Silva?
Is it clear enough? Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Silva.
Okay, for the last question, I would like to answer Amel's question.
Okay. Yep.
And my answer, that could be some gaps or missing detail or some error from the cycle from principal's perspective, and therefore we ask for the teacher better to ask the what if the error and what if we need to fix and to improve the proposal. Is clear enough?
Okay. Thank you, Alisa.
Okay. For the fourth questions already answered. Thank you for all the participants. Thank you for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, everyone.